Hi everyone, welcome to Crafting with Julia. I'm Julia and I'm so glad you tuned in today. If you enjoy my video, please hit the like button and leave me a comment. I love to get feedback from my viewers. Also, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you can be notified of all my newly released videos. Also, feel free to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I invite you to join my Facebook group called Crafting with Julia's Creative Community, where you can be part of my crafting family. All of those links are in the description below this video. This is the second video in my series on how to make gnomes. I linked the first video below in case you missed it. I think you'll have fun making this one, so please leave me a comment and let me know what you think, and hit the like button if you are enjoying it. That helps my channel grow, so it's greatly appreciated. Let's get started. Here's what you're going to need for this project. You're going to start with a 5-inch styrofoam egg, and you'll need a 2-inch styrofoam egg. You will need a wood half ball, which is 25 millimeters, and that would be for the nose. And you're going to need 2 half balls at 15 millimeters, and that is going to be for the hands. You need some type of knit fabric. I am using this. This is a sleeve of a sweater. You can use a sock, something that is stretchy like this. You will need a piece of wire. You will need 2 long toothpicks, faux fur for the beard, some type of embellishment because he's going to be holding something. And then for the hat, you want to download the pattern. It's the top of the hat and the brim. You're going to cut one of each in felt, in a coordinating felt. And then you're going to use some scrap felt for the shoes. So you're going to use some leftover felt. So with the pattern, it's in the description box below. And you want to print it out on heavy cardstock so that it's sturdy. Okay, and then you're going to just trace it out on your felt. And you're going to cut 1 piece each. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again real soon. Happy crafting!